Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's LT Mention here, coming at you with yet another light invest video that's on RoboForex, which is a regulated broker. And I want to go over the results that we was able to get last week and what we was able to achieve pretty much for the month of November. But before I do so, let's say that I'm not a financial advisor. I do not advise on how to invest or spend their money. All I do is show opportunities that I believe that would be beneficial to anyone around the world, and also go over opportunities that I believe that would not be beneficial to anyone around the world. So with that said, let's get into this video. Now, before I get going, let everybody know, if you're not familiar with RoboForex, this is a regulated broker that has many restrictions for different regions around the world. And you come down to the bottom of the page, and actually this right is in Spanish, but you can see that we got United States, Canada, Japan, Australia, Bonaire, Brazil, Curacao, and the list goes on. So if you are in any of these regions around the globe, you will not be able to participate with RoboForex. But do not worry, there is another opportunity that you can get involved with, but that does very good trading. It's a private PAMM account. I have that information inside of my Telegram and Facebook groups. So if you are interested in joining those, that opportunity has DOTS traders as well. You then join my Facebook and Telegram group and ask for the information on the private PAMM account, okay, which is also on a regulated broker. So now let's go ahead and get over here. So when you look at the account right now, you can see that the trader is doing absolutely well. Now he used the name Gold Pill because he was trading gold to USD right along Great British Pound to USD, but gold became too volatile and he ended up just trading Great British Pound to USD. He does not trade during news announcements. He avoids that at all times, and also he mainly trades on the London session. Okay, so like for me, example, a lot of times I don't see his trading, and you can see the trades open up live in your RoboForex account. So when soon as the trader open up a trade, you can see the trade open up, trading live. And then you can activate, set your own stop loss, take profit if you want to, close out the trade, open up another trade, whatever the case may be. You're in pretty much full control over your trading account with RoboForex because it's a copy trading account. All right. And you can see that the max drawdown was at the 22.43%, but that was when he was trading gold. And so recently, since he's been trading Great British Pound USD, his drawdown has not been nearly as high. All right, and I'm gonna go over that here shortly, but you can see what's going on here. So we go to trading history. You can see what the trader was able to trade, and this is what we're looking for. When you're looking for legit trading opportunity, you're looking for this kind of information: trade number, closing time, opening time, entry price, exit price, the trading pair, pips, profit, all that type of stuff. You want to see that kind of information, so that way you can check and verify that the trades are actually happening, which we know that they are because I've been RoboForex for quite some time now. I forgot how long I've been RoboForex now, to just think about it. I think I've been with RoboForex now going on a year, or maybe over a year. I can't remember. But anyways, RoboForex is a very good broker. I have no issues with them at all. All right. So you see the trader has been trading for 93 days now. This is the trader's account balance, and also you can follow the trader on Telegram. Okay, so he has an announcement channel where he announces important updates, or what was the return, whether it's a loss or a win, because we've had a loss, and you can see that here when you go to my FX book. So this is the my FX book for the actual trader. Okay, and so this right here is like a slight winning day, but this right here was the losing day that we had, that I was a part of as well, and then he was able to recover that. And pretty much over 2 days or 3 days later, he was able to recover that loss in full. All right, so this is what real trading is all about. You're going to take the wins with the losses, but the trader here, and this is and for this account, this strategy, he's also using a trading bot right along with manual trading. So the manual trading comes in when the trading bot is probably holding the trade open too long, and he'll probably just go ahead and close it out himself, and then he's able to go ahead and look for another position at that moment. Or if the trade is in a loss, and just like, okay, instead of it getting to the stop loss, I'm going ahead and take the loss right now and look for another position. That's what he's been doing. That's the manual trading coming in with the trading bot. Okay, so You can come down here. You can see that today he was able to get 0.84%. Now, depending on what your multiplier said or ratio said at, it would determine how much you would get, because the multiplier can increase your return like it did for me. For example, I got my ratio set at 1.3%. So I got a return of, hold on, let me open up my phone real quick and get that number, because I can't remember what it was that my account was at, because I got my multiplier set at 1.3%. And let's see, positions, history. So mine, well, I had a return of 1.1%, 1.10% today. All right. And so you can see what the profit was for his account, because this is his account right here, what we're looking at. And you can see that he's had a average win rate of 74% and a losing rate is 26%. See the profit factor here of 3.28. So, the profit factor shows how many times the gross profit sum of all the winning trades exceeds the gross loss sum of all losing trades. All right, the higher the value, the better. So he's absolutely killing it right here with the profit factor as well. All right. And just like you come down, you can see the whole trading history, see the withdrawals, deposits, everything like that was going on in the trader's account. Okay, come down. And so September, he launched it in September, and he was really to like on September the 11th is when he launched the strategy. And that's when he was trading gold, the Great British Pound. So that's the reason why the profit was so much higher. And also in October, he was trading gold still. But I think in October is when he stopped trading gold, if I remember correctly. Because he had got in contact with me in the month of October, as a matter of fact. And I was watching him trading, and I was like, okay, he's still trading gold USD. So you can go back in the history as well to see all that. But I'm not going to do that. And you see what for the month of November, it says 18.8%. Now, this does not include the swap fees for trading and everything like that. So his return is actually a little bit less than what my Facebook is showing. And you can see what he's done so far in the month of December, which today was the first day of trading, because I don't think he traded on Friday. So we're going to get right into my Telegram group, and you can see that last week you got a profit of 4.44%. So it says, good morning, no trade today. We saw the movements of the Asian session and decided to stay on the sidelines. The market is indecisive and has remained in non-logical zones today. Due to the manipulation caused by the creation of the monthly candle, there are quite a few economic announcements today. So we'll see what impact they have on the market for the next week's analysis. This is the kind of risk management that this trader is using. He does not take unnecessary risk. So he has other people on his team, but he is the main trader. And they're always monitoring the markets to look for opportunities during the time that they want to trade, during the Asian and London session, but mainly they trade during the London session. All right. And you can see that the overall return so far at this moment, at that moment, was 95.76%. And you come down, this was the profit for the month after swap fees. So I said that he had my Facebook was showing 18.8%, but the trader was able to see 17.35% in his account for the month of November. Now my account, I can't remember what mine was overall for the month of November. Mine was of course higher because my ratios is higher. I got mine set at 1.3%. There are some people that got their ratio set at 2%, which is pretty much doubling the return of what the trader is getting on a daily basis. Okay, and also it increases the losing potential. So like one time we had a loss of 2.76%. And if you had a ratio of 2, then you had a loss of over 5 or 6%, something like that. Okay, so the higher the ratio, the higher the risk. So you can get a higher return, but you also get a higher loss. That means you also get a higher drawdown than what the trader is experiencing as well. All right, then you come down, and this is what he was able to do today. Okay, so sharing this information on a day-to-day basis, and when he does not trade, he lets us know. He's like, this is the reason why I didn't trade today. This is the reason why I didn't trade. All right, so this is real trading. There's not going to be a return or a trading opportunity every single day. The market is the king. So for those of you who wants to, like an example, because I know y'all ask for people all the time that's talking about, the scams out there, and then you ask them like, okay, if this is right here's a scam, then what does a legit opportunity look like? Here it is right here, people. This is a legit opportunity. Now, is there a guarantee that this will go on forever? Absolutely not. Is there a guarantee that the trader always maintain proper risk management? Absolutely not. You know, things can happen. I've been in RoboForex for a long time, and I was a part of another trading strategy that was doing good for like 4 months straight, and then they blew everyone's accounts, and that was mainly due to them already receiving like well over $1 million in trading fees from everyone from trading everyone's accounts. So they became like millionaires trading for everyone's accounts during those 4 months, and they decided to blow everyone's accounts instead of like, hey, I just don't want to trade anymore. I want to take a little break, and once I come back, we'll inform everybody. Instead of doing it like that, they just decided to blow everyone's accounts. It's just crazy how these traders can operate sometimes, right? But the thing is that this trader is actually in my Telegram group. You can ask questions directly to the trader, and once the trader has time, he will respond to you. All right. So if you want more information, of course, you can feel free to join Telegram group, and you can ask questions. You can look at results and everything like that I've shared about this strategy. I'm also monitoring 2 other strategies right now. So that way I can make a decision on if I'm going to join those strategies or not. Sorry about that. Dump truck coming by picking up trash. And but yeah, this right here, it has been a wonderful experience so far. The transparency is there. Like the way that we're able to see all the trades right here, in the trader's account, you actually able to see the same kind of trades inside of your own account. This is the best thing about copy trading accounts. A lot of people prefer copy trading over PAMM accounts because of the control and that we have over our funds, the access that we have to our funds at all times. All right. So that pretty much wraps up what I wanted to talk about with RoboForex this week. I took a break yesterday just to relax. I'm home by myself for some time, so I got all the time in the world to do these videos throughout the day without interruptions from the family. All right. But just to reiterate, there are restricted regions that cannot join RoboForex. So if you're in those regions, feel free to join the Telegram and Facebook group and ask about the private forex opportunity that I'm a part of with Dots Traders and on another regulated broker, doing absolutely fantastic as well. All right. So that right there wraps up what I want to talk about with invest on RoboForex. So if you like what you heard and saw, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to share this video with other people. If you're interested in joining RoboForex and follow the strategy of Light Invest, I have my links down in the description of this video as well as in the comment section. If you heard about RoboForex from someone else, please get back with that person. Use their referral link, create your account, and get your account linked up to Light Invest if you choose to do so, and show us how to do the same thing. So that's all I have to say. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time in this video. Take care, everyone.